Hey folks, it's Mike at Lifeway Homes. I want to take you on a quick video tour of the Limited 8. The Limited 8 is a really unique modular home concept. It's got 1,888 square feet in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with 2 living areas. The house is set up with a beautiful arrangement where you have a living area right as you come in the front door. It's got a nice entry closet here behind me. Everything in this particular home is all 2x6 construction on the exterior, as well as 2x4 interior walls with all 1/2-inch drywall. This has a smooth finish drywall. Some of our homes we do a textured finish, but this is a smooth finish. And as you walk back through this area, it's got a nice little inset, and you come and turn into a large master bedroom. This is a king-size bed with a dresser, a place to sit and put your clothes on, and a nice big dresser, as well as a large walk-in closet. And then as you come down into here, you've got a really nice arrangement for a master bathroom. It's got double sinks. Of course, when you get into this quality of house, these are all solid wood doors and drawers. All of your cabinet styles are solid wood also. You got a nice drop-in tub with a separate shower back on this end, and a lot of our homes have tile showers. This one's got a nice fiberglass shower, but it's kind of up to you on how you want to do that. And then it's got a nice linen here, as well as another linen back here as you come in. So a lot of storage. Really a unique floor plan. Look forward to showing you the other end of the house. So as we come back around out of the living area, you've got a really gorgeous kitchen arrangement here. It's got the cityscape cabinetry, a lot of storage, big drawers. There's a tremendous amount of drawer space in this house. One of the nice features that we wanted to put in this home was a large pantry. So this has a pocket door that slides in and out with a big, nice pantry space. I don't know if you notice all the big windows that are in the back here. You got the ice dripping off the top of the house, but this is a triple pane window. So you have the 3 panes of glass, and they're double hung. So the top window comes down, the bottom window goes up. Both of them tilt in to clean. It's a really unique feature that we offer in this particular house. It's got a really nice den area, and then as you go back to the back of the house, you've got 2 bedrooms, as well as take a look at this 1 bedroom here. There's a lot of things that we can do extra here, but this is a huge kids bedroom with triple pane windows, and then 3 of them in this bedroom, as well as when you come out of this, you get a beautiful functional bathroom that wraps around and goes into this utility room. The utility room has a mop sink. It also has some storage, and then it has a mud bench where you can hang your coats up or put your gloves and things like that in here too. So of course we don't have a ton of cold weather here in Oklahoma, but right now is one of those times. So anyway, and then we've got this one used as some storage stuff, so for the rest of the close-up materials of the house. So look forward to you coming in to seeing this thing. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I think it'd be a home that you and your family could be very proud of. And it's a wonderful modular home. It's not available as a manufacturer. This is just a unique style that we're offering right now as a modular only, built to the IRC code here for the state of Oklahoma. Thanks.